Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to set training targets on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. Let's get started. So firstly, let's click this start button to choose the activity which we wanna work with. So now we're gonna click on these 4 dots, then scroll till the end and click on add button to see more of a workouts. Let's choose running for example, and then walk. Great. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose walk right here, then press and hold this menu button and go in the training tab. And right here we need to click on set a target, and we can see 3 options here: distance and time, distance and pace, and distance only. If you click each of the options, you will see even more information and settings here, just like this. But for now, let's choose distance only. Great. And set 1 mile by clicking this start button. And now to start the training, just click this start button. And to finish your training, you're gonna need to press and hold this menu button and choose cancel target and confirm it by clicking this start button. Just like this. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.